The DJI Mini 4K might just be the best beginner drone you can buy, and at this price range it's got some great features which I'm going to show you, but it's not perfect. But don't worry, I'll explain why. So it's an update from DJI's Mini 2 SE. It's upped from 2.7K to 4K, has a 2x digital zoom and 100 megabits per second quality. So it's got the level 5 wind resistance, which is pretty good for a drone of this size. It's got 3-axis gimbal. It's got quick shots, which makes it really easy to do these typical drone shots that you're going to see. We'll have an example of that in a second. And it's also 249 grams, so it's below the restriction weight for a lot of authorities, which is great news. The battery's also got 31 minutes of lifetime. One of the restrictions is it doesn't have object avoidance, okay? So you need to be careful where you're flying it. You need an open space like this, so definitely need to be seeing where you are, because if there's something in the way, it's gonna hit it. And because it's below 249 grams, it means that you can pretty much in the UK fly anywhere where there isn't a crowd or it's not restricted airspace, like around airports or prisons, that type of thing. Quick shots is where it really wins, because it means that you can do these great drone shots without having to do the control yourself. And that's the drone shot. And you can adjust how far back it goes. And when it gets to the end, which it will in a second, it's going to pause. And this is a great thing here, is it will bring itself back. Next up is the rocket. And this is taking advantage of that 3-axis gimbal. So the camera now is pointing down at me. And here you go, going directly above. And again, I'm not controlling this, the drone is doing it on its own. Next up we've got circle. So again, you can adjust the height of where this is. And this is going to do a little 360. And again, brilliant. I present it to camera, don't have to control it. I got a mic here, and I got this great shot, and you can't see it from where you are, but the drone is battling with the wind and it's giving you this great smooth shot. We've got the helix. So what this one does is it goes around me and it moves away. It's kind of like a mixture between the droney and the circle shot. So a bit more dramatic. I live in Oxfordshire, so I don't have mountains, but you can imagine this on a vista. Great landscape, maybe on top of a tall building. Okay, the last one is the boomerang. Again, I've got myself as the subject. And here we go. So this one moves away in a circle. It's going to go out. And imagine this, I'm standing with a great vista behind me. I wish I had one of those right now. And it comes swooping in, kind of cinematic, I think. And again, back to the beginning. So it's currently priced at about £270 in the UK, about $300 in the US. And for that, you get the drone, you get the controller, and you get spare rotor blades and a battery. You can get a more advanced package for more, and you get more batteries with it, and you can get a carry case as well. The next model up is the Mini 4 Pro. Now that does have the omnidirectional object avoidance, but that is about 670 quid or 680 pounds from DJI Direct. It's also competing with the Neo and the Flip. Now those are DJI's latest ones, and they're the small sort of vlogging cameras. Now it doesn't have the same subject tracking feature that the other cameras do. So if you want to use it for vlogging and you don't want to be controlling and you want something that's dead easy, that's simple to use, they're a great option, especially on a low budget. Now, one of the other limitations, and for me this is kind of a big one, and it's a bit of a problem, is it doesn't have D-logs. It doesn't film in logarithmic footage. Now, if you're not interested in color grading, that's not a problem, that's fine. But if you are, that is a problem, because the dynamic range on this is pretty limited. On a bright day like this, the shadows are really dark, they get crushed, and it's easy to blow out. So unfortunately, that is a limitation. If you want the D-log, you've got to go a high level, so go for like the Mini 4K Pro. If color grading isn't something that concerns you, if that's not something you want to do, then that's great, because the footage that comes out of this is usable. It's just, if you want that extra control, that's where your limitation comes with this. It's really quite a good drone for its price range, and as a beginner, it's just easy to create these cool shots. It's hard to find something better at this price range.